The reason why I have the TV that normally sits in the kitchen, I really like how bright the room looks right now. The reason why I have this TV here, this is a 4K HDR Samsung TV. The reason why I have this TV here is because I want to be testing. The reason is because I want to be testing. Not really testing. I really love saying the word testing, but we kinda. Wait a minute. Okay. This here is the old Apple TV. I'm pretty tall, so sometimes I have to put this camera very high for me to. Let me just fix it quick. Okay, much better. So this is the old Apple TV. I think this is Apple TV series 2 or 3 if I'm not mistaken, or Apple TV 3 or 2. It's just stopped working. So we got a new Apple TV and I want to unbox it and just set it up in front of you guys so you guys can see how and what comes on the box, how to set it up and what comes on the box. So I actually got this today from the Apple Store in Eastgate. 4K Apple TV. Now there is 2 versions of this Apple TV out right now. Don't get confused. This is the 4K one. There's the 4K one and there is the normal one. The 4K one goes for 3,000 and 3,500. So that's the 32 gig model and the 64 gig model. And then you have the normal Apple TV generation 4. So I got this today at the Apple Store and this is the 4K model, which as I said costs 3,000. This one is the 64 gig, costs 3,500. The 32 gig goes for 3,000. Then you have the normal ones that are not 4K at all, and those ones go for I think 2,500 and 2,000 respectively. So let's unbox this guy. So this is our unboxing setup. So we need the knife obviously, and we need to just jump on the inside of the box. So inside the box obviously you will get the Apple TV itself, you'll get the remote as well. I think you should also get a charging cable for the remote and a power cable for the Apple TV. Unfortunately Apple doesn't include the HDMI cable, but thankfully I have a lot of HDMI cables running just around the house, not running because HDMI cables don't run. Yeah, HDMI cables don't run. So going straight inside the box. So this is what you need to expect on the inside. The Apple TV. Just for a quick comparison with the old one, this is the size difference. The new one is a bit thicker, obviously, because because of the hard drive that's inside. And I really like this remote. Hey, it reminds me of those iPod Nano, and yeah, it's quite a cute remote. And what else comes in the box? Probably just the power cable, and yeah, just the power cable. What about the charging cable? So this is the power cable. We all know what the power cable looks like, obviously. And okay, literature, and obviously the power cable. Yay, one more lightning cable. Actually, there are rumors that Apple is planning to move to USB-C as well. USB-C is the port I think I've showed you in one of the videos. USB-C is the port that the Nintendo Switch uses. The OnePlus 5T also uses that port, and now hopefully even the Apple computers also use that port, but hopefully the iPhone will also switch to that. But so okay, remove the plastic. Okay, yeah, so there's another plastic around, that's why I couldn't see any ports. So this is the other plastic that's around. And yeah, quick ports. You still have the Ethernet port, you have the HDMI port, and you have the power port. So they removed the optical audio, they've removed the this is the micro USB port. But how do you test this thing? How do you fix? Anyway, so they removed the micro USB port, and yeah, they only have now the power port. Yeah, now let's power it on. Now we're gonna set up this Apple TV quick. Hopefully I won't have to. Can you guys even see what's going on? Okay, all right, hopefully it shows something. I'm right here in case you are looking for me. This is basically the initial setup of the Apple TV. Okay, Siri and detection. So this thing comes with Siri and detection. Oh, English. Siri and detection. We're gonna set it with the device. Maybe I can set it with my phone. Yeah, maybe I can set it with my phone. This is clever actually. So phone out, and yeah, as you guys can see, it actually prompts the set up Apple TV. So there you have it. The Apple TV is now set up. We're good to go and try. One thing I like about this Apple TV that the last one didn't do was that now you can install applications on this one. You can even install games on this one. And also one thing I think what Apple does is they might do similar product that other companies actually do, but they always have this one touch, and it might be a stupid thing that they will add that the competitors are not doing, but they just do it. Like on the iPhone 10, they came with an emoji, or those emoji that you could animate. And on the Apple TV, what I really like about it is actually something also a bit stupid to like or to buy the Apple TV for, and it's the live screensaver. The screensavers on the Apple TV 4K, they are stunning. They're beautiful. Those images or those videos that they took and they just plays in the background. I don't know. I just love those things. So yeah, this is it for this video. Like, I really believe that this is one of the best streamers that you can get right here, right now in South Africa, because they sell it locally. Unlike the Chromecast, you cannot find it locally yet. It's not locally supported yet. You need to either buy from somebody that's exporting or importing, not exporting. Either buy from somebody that is importing or import it yourself. So yeah, this is actually one of the best streamers in my opinion. And as I said, one of the main feature that I actually like about the Apple TV is that, let me see if I can go actually see this screensaver and show it to you guys. Start off 15-minute preview. Let's preview one at least. This is the screensaver. Look, I don't know if you guys can actually see the quality of this. Just look how beautiful this thing is. And it's just a screensaver. Now imagine on a very huge screen. This is actually a huge screen. This is a 50-inch TV. Imagine it maybe on an 100-inch or an 82 or 75-inch. This is stunning. Obviously, it has to be a 4K TV for you guys to see how beautiful this is. Because if you don't have a 4K TV, you're not going to take advantage of this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Obviously, if you like the video, obviously give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. I want to know what streaming devices you guys are using. I use this guy here, the Apple TV. Obviously, I have it already there, and I'm also using a Chrome. And I'm also using, this is making me stretch, and I'm also using a Chromecast in the living room. Yeah, so I combine both of them to watch stuff around the house. So let me know what you guys are using in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.